IAS 1 Presentation of Financial Statements. IAS 1 basically covers the form and content of financial statements. The main financial statements are Statement of Financial Position, Statement of Comprehensive Income, Statement of Changes in Equity, and Statement of Cash Flows, which is followed by Notes to Financial Statements. According to IAS 1, each component, each statement must be identified clearly. For example, if you have statement of financial position which you are going to present in the annual report, it should be stated clearly, like statement of financial position as at December 31, 2024, or whatever the date is. Now the second point is IAS 1 also suggests some formats of the different type of statements, but it is not compulsory that companies have to follow that format. It depends upon the nature of the business. So IAS 1 have given you the formats, but it is not compulsory that the companies should follow that format. It should be it can be changed according to the nature of the business. Now, in the statement of financial position, the current and non-current assets should be separated in the same way like the current and non-current liabilities. IAS 1 suggests that all the expenses incurred in a particular time period and all the revenue earned or recognized in a particular time period should be mentioned in the statement of comprehensive income. Now, there are two types of statements: income statement and statement of comprehensive income. They can be presented together in one statement, or they can be presented in two different types of statements. For example, income statement and statement of comprehensive income. You have the choices whether you want to present the two statements together or you want to present them separately. Now, the income statement is basically can be made in two different ways: by function or by nature. Most of the time you encounter the income statement which is by function, like you have the cost of goods sold and you have selling and admin expenses sections in the income statement, but it can also be made by nature. Classification by function is more common, so you will mostly encounter the income statements which is classified by function and not by nature. IAS 1 also gives you the statement of changes in equity format.